excited are you?
Good luck, man. Good luck. Good luck, man. Good luck, man. Good luck, man. Well done.
Good luck, guys. Yeah, that's a good spike. Come on. Good luck.
They have learned to play the different instruments. And as you can see, we have a farmer who has got his equipment. He's going off to his farm place.
Under 12 girls team is adopted by Malhotra Foundation. Malhotra Foundation has been adopting 14 teams every year since last 3 seasons. Thank you so much, Malhotra. Thank you so much. He resides in Delhi, but silently he is supporting this silent revolution. Here comes the Volleyball under 12 boys team adopted by Riham Ahmed.
I represent Volleyball Foundation, so we are a newly established organization by the FIB, founded by the FIB, and our focus is actually exactly what you are doing. You know, our mission is transform lives through volleyball. So we are looking into projects like BVL that make social impact, that make impact in the communities, like we've seen it here in Tezpur and in the entire Assam. And as president of the FABIO, Mr. FABIO AZEVEDOE just said, so we really believe that this can be amplified and you know, spread all over the world. So that's why we are extremely happy to be here to see. We've heard so much, you know, but to see it firsthand and witness it firsthand like today, it's very special. It's very emotional. I also would like to thank all of you and the entire community for making it happen. And it's indeed a very exemplary project and an example of a true cooperation, collaboration, and teamwork. That's a core value of sport, our sport of volleyball. We cannot play alone. We always need a team. So, and we have an amazing team here. And the entire community contributes. Pardon?
About the culture, Assamese culture.
Assamese, I mean, I've just arrived yesterday. I didn't see much. I've been to India many times, but the first time in Assam. And I've heard again a lot about tea culture, about beautiful national parks, so Brahmaputra river. So I'm definitely, you know, looking forward to see a bit more and explore more. And it's very diverse culture, multi, you know, ethnical. So really looking forward to learn more about. So really beautiful.
Hey, fantastic. Hey, absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much for the hospitality. Very happy, very grateful being here with you all and experience this fantastic event of collaboration. To see so many people being volunteers and helping those kids to play volleyball, to play the sport, and to stick together is something priceless. So I just want to thank very much my brother Abhijit, the city of Tezpur, the BVL, and everyone, each and everyone involved to that. So thank you.
What's your message to the new generation sportsmen?
So my message is, absolutely, my message is together as one, we can empower the global volleyball movement. And that's exactly what they are doing here, empowering each other and moving on as a global volleyball movement of a huge collaboration. So that's the message. Keep going, keep spending, and keep conquering more and more kids, because the BVL is impacting positively the lives of many kids here in the region, and I'm sure that they can do more for the country and for the world.
What is your impression in visit Tezpur? Is it your first time visit?
Cannot be better, sir. Cannot be better.
Sir, regarding BVL?
Sorry?
Regarding BVL? What do you think regarding BVL, sir?
Regarding BVL?
Yeah.
Guys, BVL, I would say, is one of the best volleyball initiatives in the world, not in India, all right? So what you guys are doing here, you are setting an example and inspiring a worldwide community. So everybody, I can tell you all, everybody in the world now is talking about BVL. All right, everybody knows ABG, everybody knows Assam, and BVL is carrying the name of Assam to the world. No doubt about that. I would say you're right, sir. You're right. That's exactly what I mean when I say it's more than sport, it's a global movement. So what you're doing here is a movement towards society. So ultimately what we're doing is that we are making the world better through sport. So, and the message there, we are making the world better through volleyball, through sport. I can give just a last message to you all, because media is very important for our sport. So please keep covering and keep promoting the BVL in the region, because you are the eyes and the world is watching through you as well. So you have a very important role in that. So I would like to count on you all to keep helping us promoting the sport and putting the athletes and the first and the fans at the first place. So thank you very much.
Thank you.